So for these steps is for the length of this project. In here on the middle, we have 8 double crochet, so it's an even number. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. In here is the middle between the 2 double crochet. We're gonna put our stitch marker, because later we're gonna use it as corner. And now we're gonna turn our work and connect our yarn on this first stitch here. And we're gonna put 3 double crochet on that stitch. And now on the following stitches, we're gonna put 42 double crochet. And I will meet you before the stitch marker, so up to here. After we've done our 42 double crochet plus chain 3 on the first stitch, now we are in the middle. We're gonna remove our stitch marker and put 3 double crochet inside. 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. On the same space, we're gonna put again 3 double crochet. And again on the following stitches, you're gonna put 42 double crochet plus on the last stitch 3 double crochet. So go ahead, you can pause the video and I will meet you after that. We are now on our last stitch, and now we're gonna put 3 double crochet on that stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And now on the next row, we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn our work. We're not gonna put 3 double crochet on this stitch here. We're just gonna follow the stitches. And again on this space, we're gonna make a corner again. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And again on the next side, we're gonna follow the stitches again and put double crochet. So keep going, guys, until you get your desired length, and I will meet you after. After 8 rows of double crochet, it should be look like this. So here's the 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this part cover probably 3/4 of our breast area here. In measurement, it's 42 centimeter by 29 centimeter. And now I'm gonna speed up a little bit to show you the next part, and then I will show you how to do it. We're gonna start working to cover our rib cage area and also at the back. Probably cover 1/4 of our back, because at the back we're gonna put like a corset style. You can see here it's straight now. It's not diagonal anymore. And this part will cover our rib cage area and 1/4 of our back. And now I'm gonna show you how I do it. To achieve this straight line, we're gonna start reducing stitches. And each row, I reduced 2 stitches. So here, this first chain space is our length. So 8 rows that one. And on the next chain space is the first row to reduce stitches on this row. In here I reduced 2 double crochet stitches. So now we're gonna move on and start on this side. So we're going to start by chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna follow all these stitches and put double crochet, and we're gonna stop 2 stitches before the first chain space. So here we're gonna stop before the chain space here. I have left 2 stitches of double crochet before the chain space. Remember guys that this is the chain space for our length and the next chain space is for our width. And now we're gonna yarn over, put our hook inside the chain space and make double crochet. That's how we reduce stitches on this first row. And again, we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work. We're gonna skip 2 stitches again, 1, 2. On the third one, we're gonna put double crochet. Like this. And now we're gonna follow again the stitches and come back, skip 2 stitches, chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and follow the stitches and make double crochet again. We are now on our last stitch and we're gonna make double crochet again. And to move on the next row, we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work, and again follow the stitches, put double crochet, skip 2 stitches and put double crochet inside this chain space. After 13 rows each side, and now it's straight as you can see, and now we're gonna make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet to put our string at the back. So now we're gonna chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn our work, and we're gonna skip this stitch and put double crochet on the next stitch. So skip, put double crochet on the next stitch. And again chain 1, skip 1, put double crochet on the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, put double crochet on the next stitch. And now we're gonna keep going all the way up to the end in here. For the back string, we're only gonna use single strand of yarn, but we need a long string for us to be able to crisscross at the back because we want it to end up like a corset. So now we need to chain 400 to 450 chains. So to put it, we're gonna put it on the corner in here. So we're gonna start from there and on the other side, and we're gonna skip one and we're gonna put on the other one, on the next one. So we're gonna put one, skip one, put the string, skip one. So that's how we're gonna do it. So after we put the string at the back, it looks like this. So there's a lot of string at the back, so that's why we need a lot of chains. So this is what it looks like. Since we have 15 cluster of double crochet in here on our motif, our middle is this, between these two cluster of double crochet, and that's why I put this stitch marker. And now we're gonna connect our yarn in here on this first stitch before this chain space here. So go ahead and grab your yarn and make a knot. Now we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our first double crochet, and on this chain space we're gonna put 2 double crochet. And on this chain space we're gonna put 5 double crochet. And again, on the next chain space, we're gonna put 5 double crochet. And in here, on the next one, we're gonna make a corner. So it means we're gonna put 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. One, 2, 3. Another 3 double crochet. And that's our corner here. And where our stitch marker is, we're gonna remove it and put 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the next chain space, we're gonna make a corner, so 3 double crochet plus chain 3 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna put 5 double crochet on this chain space, each chain space. And 2 double crochet on this small chain space. And on this stitch here, we're gonna make a slip stitch and chain 1 to close it and pull. Now we're gonna cut our yarn. And it should be look like this. This yarn hanging here, we can always hide it with our darning needle. And again, we're using 2 strands of yarn to make a strap for the neck. So we're gonna tie it up again and chain 80. So after we complete everything, this is what it looks like. Let me know guys how it goes, and I would love to see some picture of your project. And if you have some question, leave it on the comments box. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.